Technology is the collaborative partner for a creative. You know, you can do so much now, and it's endless, the possibilities.
Creative industry sees waves of panic every time new technology arrives, from software to smartphones to AI.
This is the 80s movies of workmen with their mobile phones, the brick phone. Mobile phones today can do so much for the creative industries. I mean, I can be on the spot, you know, getting inspiration. Technology evolves rapidly. It's always changing. And from the people side, you know, you've got to stay connected. It's all about collaboration, communication, emotional intelligence, and these are the things that will always sustain you in your creative career. As Head of School of Creative Industries, you know, I can bring all of that into the curriculum, and I can help shape the direction of the students so that they're becoming really current with their practice. You're the one that's passionate about it, so you're bringing your energy, the why you're doing it. It's you. It's everything about you and what it is that you want to share with the world and what stories you want to tell, and that can never be replaced.